BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. On the 1st of March, which was just a couple of days ago, Microsoft rolled out PowerToys version 56.1, and now recently they have rolled out version 56.2, which if you are running the utility, you can just check for updates, which will move it up to version 0.56.2 now. Now, going from point 1 to point 2 carries a couple of bug fixes, and then there's just one little new add-on where they've added Find My Mouse setting for shake distance to allow for adjustability. Now, in version 56.1, in the mouse utilities, there was a new Find My Mouse activation method introduced, which was called Shake My Mouse, where if you just shake your mouse, you can see the Find My Mouse circle appears around your cursor. And now with 56.2, they have a new setting here, shake minimum distance, the minimum distance for mouse shaking activation for adjusting sensitivity, and you can adjust that sensitivity to your own personal needs and requirements. So that's just a little add-on in 56.2. And then we have some bug fixes, and just to mention those quickly, the first is the PowerToys update restarted PCs without prompting, and some users were losing work on that unprompted restart, so that bug has been addressed. And then there's just one little fancy zones bug that's been fixed, and another dev file preview handler files in use bug is fixed. And then also a PowerToys runs Windows Terminal plugin didn't have localization set up correctly, and now is correct. So just make sure you're up to date if you do use the PowerToys utility. And the latest version, as mentioned, is version 0.56.2, which adds that new adjustability shake distance setting to Find My Mouse, and also a couple of bug fixes. Now, just as a side note, something just to mention, that's an upcoming feature that's going to be rolled out to PowerToys in the near future, which is still in development. And basically, a GitHub repository has revealed that there is a new plugin for PowerToys Run. So it's called the time and date, and will provide a quick and easy way basically to get Windows to display the date and time in various formats. So if we just click on that image, when you use PowerToys Run, you can actually now check the current time and date. And then if we just head back to that repository, we can see here, if we just go to some more images here, another image, this will be the actual setting, more or less what it'll look like in the actual utility of PowerToys Run. Time and date provides time and date values for the system time or a custom timestamp, and you can toggle that on. And it's got a couple of settings. So basically, it just lets you search for the time and date using PowerToys Run. So the developers apparently have said that for the date and time format, the plugin uses the culture settings in Windows if the format is not commonly defined according to the developers, and the user can search for the system date and or time, or a custom date and or time, and then the value of each result can be copied to a clipboard. And then you have a couple of settings here, including global results, show only time, date, and now, resulting global queries, and then you can show time with seconds, show date with weekday, and name of month, and you can also hide invalid number input. So this is still under development, and just wanted to mention it quickly that this could be rolling out to a stable version of PowerToys in the near future. And I think that would be quite soon, because PowerToys is an app that is updated frequently and is maintained and developed by Microsoft over on GitHub. And you can actually go check out the release notes for this latest update that I've just mentioned, version 0.56.2, by clicking on release notes, which will take you over to GitHub. And then also, PowerToys is available for both Windows 10 and 11, and you can also download it through the Microsoft Store. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.